Have you ever noticed that some nights sleep feels impossible? The room is quiet, the lights are off, your body is tired, yet your mind refuses to slow down. Sleep isn't just about closing your eyes. It's a biological and psychological process, and sometimes both go out of sync. 1. The brain doesn't understand bedtime. Your brain runs on patterns, not clocks. When you expose yourself to bright lights, screens, or stimulation late at night, your brain stays in day mode. The hormone melatonin, which tells your body it's time to sleep, doesn't release properly, so even if your body is exhausted, your brain stays alert, waiting for activity that never comes. 2. Overthinking activates survival mode. At night, distractions disappear. There's no noise, no notifications, no movement, just thoughts. Unfinished tasks, regrets, future worries all surface together. Your brain interprets this mental activity as a problem to solve. And a brain in problem-solving mode doesn't sleep. It stays awake to protect you, even when there's no real danger. 3. Stress changes. Your body chemistry. Stress releases cortisol, a hormone designed to keep you awake and alert. It helped humans survive threats, but it's terrible for sleep. Even emotional stress, and not physical, is enough to keep cortisol high. That's why some nights you feel tired, yet restless. Your body wants rest. Your nervous system wants vigilance. 4. Irregular routines confuse the internal clock. Sleeping late one night and early the next doesn't just affect energy, it confuses your circadian rhythm. Your internal clock relies on consistency. When sleep and wake times keep changing, your brain doesn't know when to shut down. So some nights, sleep arrives easily. Other nights, it never shows up at all. 5. The pressure to sleep makes it worse. Ironically, trying too hard to sleep activates anxiety. The moment you think, "I have to sleep now," your body tenses. Sleep only comes when the brain feels safe, not forced. That's why sleep disappears the moment you chase it. The truth about sleepless nights. Not being able to sleep doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It means your mind and body are temporarily out of rhythm. Sleep returns when the brain feels calm, predictable, and unthreatened, not when it's pressured. Sometimes the solution isn't to try harder, but to let go. And that's when sleep finally finds you.